Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Chinenye. Today's video will be on how to make your akara. I'll be showing you how I made this. Please stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. First, I'll be needing peeled beans, spring onions, and one long bell pepper, onions, pepper. This is very hot, and maggi seasoning and salt, and also oil for frying. I'm going to cut open the long sweet pepper. You can use tatashi or shombo, yeah, and this will help you give it this red or pink color and add some flavor to the akara. Then also add your pepper, also the onions, and blend. Please calculate the amount of water you'll be adding to this. Blend to a paste. Now this is what I have after the blending. It shouldn't be watery. Then slice your spring onions, cut also the onions, please subscribe to this channel. Let's grow together. Thank you. Whisk your beans paste. If you have mortar, that is also perfect to use. Whisk perfectly to make it smooth. Add chopped onions, spring onions, salt, your maggi seasoning, and mix gently. I decided to add this red sweet pepper. Just dice to small sizes. Mix all together and set aside. Taste for salt. Then heat oil in a pan. Add a little bit to check if the oil is hot enough. Then now the oil is okay for frying. I will allow this one to fry properly, then before I begin the normal frying process. Add gently. And then allow it to fry on each side. Fry till it is golden brown and it is okay inside. Take them out gently and one after the other. repeat the same process for the rest. Please subscribe to my channel. Now we are the last one, and this akara is tasty and fluffy. I'll be enjoying this with custard. I dissolved my custard with water. I'll be adding some hot water to it. Please mind the amount of hot water you put, calculate it too. Then mix all together and enjoying it with sugar and milk. Add some sugar, milk, and of course akara. You can also add some bread with this. Thank you so much for watching. I'm very grateful. Please subscribe